Hey there, today we are going to learn a really cool words to build your vocabulary, and this is the initial first step. Let's begin. The first word is abhor. It simply means to hate very much, to detest utterly. To detest means to dislike something. The link word which you can link in your mind with this depiction, chore. You can see here some boys are really resting there. It looks something that they don't like chores. कोई अन्य वेले आगे है कि अनु काम नहीं पसंद. So the example is the Booker boys abhor doing chores. So to abhor insects is to find them abhorrent. You can see here there are a lot of related words to abhor. Abhor is basically a verb. Abhorrent, abhorrence, abhorred. You will see a lot of such related words in different sentences. So their root is same. This basically means to hate something. Anyway, it is generally believed that most women have an abhorrence of mice, while I have abhorrence for cockroach or for flying insects. I don't know what's your write down in comments. The next example is, it is a fact that most people abhor the thought of public speaking. Yeah, many of us have this. The next word is abominate. Abominate. Here you see the link words abom-hate. How you can link this abom-hate to abominate in your mind with this depiction? Well, abominate means to dislike strongly. It is somewhat relevant to abhor. Right? But it's something like that. When you recall something or when you consider something, you will think of that things with some dislikeness. Okay? So to dislike strongly or to regard with intense aversion or loathing. Well, the aversion means is to have a strong dislikeness for something, for disinclination. And loathing means a feeling of intense disgust or dislike. So you can see they all are sort of synonyms. Okay, a bomb hate means you obviously hate a bomb. No one loves a bomb, right? So I abominate bombs. Bomb hate, abominate. I just want you to fix this picture in your mind and just relate the words with the vocabulary words so that you never forget. A few examples are, David abominates vegetables. He doesn't even want them on his dinner plate. ऐनी कोई नफरत है डेविड नु कि वह भी नहीं चाहता कि मेरे सामने आ जाए. Sylvia abominated her relatives when they came up to visit and cracked mud on her new white carpet. बहुत ही कोई शदीद गुस्सा आता है जब आपने कारपेट नहीं साफ की और उसके ऊपर से कोई आ जाए गंद फैलाने के लिए. तो वो जरा आप इमेजिन करिए, फिर आपको एबोमिनेट वर्ड कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा. अब बंदे नु में मार देवा. एबोमिनेट का वैसे दूसरा क्या लिंकिंग वर्ड मिला ना. Okay, next example is Sam loves traveling with his family to the mountains for vacation each year, but he abominates the 12-hour drive. ऐ बड़ा स्यापा हुंदा. मेरी जाए कोई होर ड्राइव कर ले, मैं आराम नाल गाने सुनांगी. ऐसा ही कोई हाल होता ना. Okay. Word is ABRIDGE. ABRIDGE. Bridge is a linking word. You can link this linking word with the word abridge by using this depiction in your mind. Here you can see जो cars वगैरह आ रही हैं वो एकदम से जाके पानी में गिर रही हैं. Why so? Because there was originally a bridge that is now diminished and the cars are just falling in water. So abridge means to shorten, to condense, to diminish, to curtail. Or curtail means to reduce an extent or quantity or impose a restriction on. So basically you can see this. An abridged bridge means a shortened bridge. Now the diminished bridge जो originally था और अब नहीं रहा. Reduce हो गया, टूट गया, कुछ भी उसके साथ हो गया. ठीक है, तो I think this is a good relationship with the word abridge and bridge. And if you just fix this depiction in your mind, फिर कदे भी नहीं भूलोगे. Examples: if you don't want to read an entire newspaper to learn the latest news daily, there are clipping services that will abridge news stories to your specifications. And An abridged dictionary is one that has been shortened. So you will, if someone says you मेरे पास abridged dictionary है, तो ज़्यादा impress होने की जरूरत नहीं है. He simply means to say कि उसके पास shortened form है, condensed form है किसी dictionary की. We saw an abridgment of the movie Gone with the Wind on TV last night. It was lasted 2 hours, whereas the original lasted 4. Okay, कोई ओरिजिनल मूवी है जो काफी लंबी है 4 घंटे की, लेकिन उसी की जो कंडेंस और reduced form है उसको हम लोग abridgment कह सकते हैं. So there are the other words related to abridge. For example, you see here abridge, abridged, and abridgment. It is basically a noun abridge. The next is abstruse. Abstruse, how you can remember this word? By linking it with moves. 12 संख्या देखिए ना. I mean, it just reflects the picture of something complicated. as 12 संख्या ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਲੋ, ਇਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੋ complicated है. I mean, you cannot simply understand it. ये है क्या चीज, राइट? अगर आप किसी बच्चे को कभी फर्स्ट टाइम दिखा रहे हो तो आप बड़ा कोई स्यापा पढ़ने वाला है कि बच्चा पूछेगा ओ सब तो ठीक है, तो सिंह जी के ने टोकरी क्या है? तो I mean the thing that is hard to understand, that is complicated, that is which we say that it is abstruse. जो complicated है, enigmatic सी है, puzzling सी है, confusing है, which is not giving its fully meaning simply. So it is much more complex. तो हम ऐसी चीज को abstruse कहते हैं. Okay, how you can fix this depiction in your mind? Just try to see this more and more while I'm saying this. His friend considered Mike the moose to be very abstruse. Means he is very hard to understand. He has very complex personality. The first example is chemistry is an abstruse subject. The next example, scientists had many abstruse theories about atomic interactions. I mean, you can say the things that are not clear. They are not giving full their meaning or explanation, or Elizabeth's reactions to the party were very abstruse. A but. Its linking word might seem somewhat weird, but I think it's just reflecting the true meaning. But, I mean, here you see the picture in which many people are sitting on a single bench and their butts are just in contact with the surface, with a boundary of that bench. So a butt means to border upon. Well, the border upon simply means being near an edge or border. So you can see their butts are much nearer, I mean just in contact with the surface. So this link word with this depiction would help you to memorize a butt word in your memory stock. Examples, in Hong Kong, the sky wrappers so closely abut each other, in some cases they touch sides, I mean just to adjoin someone. Texas abuts Mexico on its southern border. The abutting rocks formed a perfect wall for the riflemen to defend the castle. That's all for today. If you liked the video, hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to just stay tuned. Till the next dose, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.